Number 9. Wisent-2 FFG. The Wisent-2 is the most cutting-edge multifunctional vehicle platform. One of the most popular track vehicles in all of the world, the Leopard 2 main combat tank serves as its foundation. With the aid of a dozer blade and an articulated excavator arm, it can move the earth. A crane system that can lift 32 tons of weight and a 46-ton winch also are included. It can be used to destroy artifacts or retrieve vehicles thanks to its Stanag 5 level armor. Talk about tough! Number 8. Terrier BAE Systems. Terrier is a special platform that combines the strength of a top-tier combat vehicle with the capacity to carry out an enormous range of engineering operations on the battlefield. It can do a variety of tasks under the most challenging circumstances since it is sturdy, agile, and maneuverable. It uses a front shovel to move soil and other materials. A hydraulic arm is also included, which can be utilized to raise heavy objects. It may be operated by 2 crew members and flown on a Boeing C-17 aircraft. In 2013, it was deployed in more than 50 units of the British Army. Number 7. UBIM Uralvagonzavod. This vehicle is a multifunctional Russian vehicle built on a T-90M tank chassis. It encourages the growth of military formations and is made to carry out various functions. The vehicle is designed to provide engineering support for soldiers fighting in a dangerous environment when weapons of mass destruction are being used. Anything can be moved with the help of its hydraulic arm and 15-foot-long blade. Testing by the Russian Army in 2020 showed how adaptable the entire vehicle is. Number 6. M9 ACE Armored Combat Earth Mover BMY Combat Systems. This is an American amphibious vehicle that assists the Army in offensive and defensive operations. Being amphibious, in places with water, it creates roadways, takes down barricades, or sets up access points. And the best part is, it only requires 1 crew member to work and has a range of 322 kilometers. Its 265 horsepower engine allows it to travel 31 miles per hour on land and 3 miles per hour on the water. The American Army now has more than 400 active units of this M9 ACE. Number 5. M1150 ABV Assault Breacher Vehicle General Dynamics. This is an American-made, heavily armored vehicle that is based on the M1 Abram tank chassis. It was created primarily to clean routes of potential artifacts. Its engine generates 1,500 horsepower, and its top speed is 45 miles per hour. It can quickly navigate obstacles and dig ditches. The United States Army and Marine Corps have used this vehicle since 2009. Talk about reliable. Number 4. Kodiak Rheinmetall Defense. It's a German vehicle built on the chassis of a Leopard 2 tank. It includes a front blade and an excavation shovel for moving objects as well as soil. Hence, it is frequently used for defensive position construction, clearing obstacles from the way and putting out fires. This vehicle is currently in use in countries like Singapore and Sweden. Number 3. Boxer Arm Armored Recovery Module FFG. Vehicle recovery is one of the numerous functions of this German-made multi-purpose vehicle. It contains a winch for recovering and performing maintenance on huge cars. Another piece of equipment for this vehicle is a crane with a lifting capacity of 25 tons and a height of 16 feet. This vehicle can cover great distances because of its STANAG 3 level armor and 3 hours of engine-free operation provided by its batteries. Number 2. K600 Hyundai Rotem. It is a South Korean vehicle constructed using the K1 tank's chassis. It is employed to navigate difficult terrain and clear potential artifact paths. Its engine generates 1,200 horsepower, allowing it to go at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour or 37 miles per hour. A signaling system that appears as you move can be employed to establish safe lanes. It also has a hydraulic arm for excavating, chipping rock, or moving items. Number 1. IMR-2 Uralvagonzavod. Another Russian vehicle, but this one constructed on a T-72 tank chassis, which started in 1982. It was intended to prepare roadways, dig trenches, or eliminate obstructions. It has an articulated arm and a V-shaped dozer blade. More than 600 units of this vehicle have been produced worldwide, and they are used by the Russian Army and other international militaries. Hey, you made it to the end! Make sure to check out our recent videos on other amazing military vehicles, machines, and equipment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you never miss any of our new uploads. By the way, if there are any machine kinds that you want to see a new video about, do comment down below. With that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye-bye!